power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2025 Jeep Sport Willys and Anvil Clear Coat. With Nighthawk, sport suspension, 20-inch aluminum wheels, body color Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 50046A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.